How to make him fear losing you. Hello my beautiful ladies, my name is Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high value woman secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sundays. And if you would like to hear from the high value women themselves, please click on the link right here. My ladies, in this video I will share with you 5 tips on how to make him fear losing you by giving him uncertainty in a healthy, high value way. The first tip is make sure to have a social circle and keep meeting new people. This will create a healthy amount of uncertainty, and when you're out and about, it will make him wonder, will you meet someone better? It's also a very good way to test the man. Is he a high value man who is secure and confident? Or is he a low value man who is insecure and controlling? So if a guy is low value, he will start to freak out, panic, and marking his territory. If a guy is high value, he will be happy for you to socialize with other people by showing you that he is secure and confident, and other guys are not a threat to him. And guys, just to make one thing clear, a lot of people say to me, oh my god, my boyfriend is so controlling. He always asks me, where are you, who are you with? Just because he asks you, where are you, who you with, doesn't mean that he's controlling. Also could just mean that he cares about you and your safety, therefore he is showing that. I think it's a very nice gesture when a guy is doing that, as long as he doesn't try and control you and tell you you need to be back at this time, and why you meeting this person and you're not allowed to meet that person. That is controlling. But checking in with you, where are you, what time you coming home, or who you with, I think it's a very nice way of him to show you that he cares about your safety and security. Also, if you will find that your guy starts to freak out about you socializing and meeting new people, I would recommend you ladies to tell him, if you don't trust me, why are you with me? Because as a human being, you are allowed to socialize, meet new people, have fun without him. And if he's getting insecure and is freaking out, well, then he needs to work on himself. Yet saying that, it is still a perfect amount of uncertainty in a healthy way to give. Second way of how to make a man fear to lose you is by putting yourself first, by continuously educating yourself and going for your dreams. This will also keep him on his toes, as if he wants you to stay interested in him, he will have to catch up with you. At the same time, this will make you a challenge, because when you put your goals, dreams, and ambitions first, he will have to fit around in your life. Again, an insecure guy will start getting controlling. He will tell you to drop your dreams. He will tell you to drop your ambitions. He will try and keep you under his thumb, so he has a full power and control over you. A confident man will encourage your goals, will encourage your dreams, will keep motivating you, and will be very proud or happy to have you as his girlfriend or wife. Also, ladies, when you will die and God asks you what have you done with the life that I gave you, you will have lots of things to tell him. So it's all good. So first, God is gonna be happy. Second, you will keep a guy on his toes. Third, he will see you as a challenge, as he will have to fit in around you. And fourth, not only that you will make yourself happy, but you will also give him a healthy amount of uncertainty and fear him of losing a diamond like you. The third way of how to get a guy to fear of losing you is not always being available. Ladies, do not see him at the last minute. However, this will come naturally if you are putting yourself first, if you are having a social circle of family, of friends, if you are going for your goals, dreams, and ambitions. Automatically, again, he will have to fit around you because you're not gonna be as available and your time will be very valuable. Therefore, you will have to keep a schedule to achieve the things that you want to achieve. So he will have to fit in your schedule. This will automatically make you a challenge and give him a healthy amount of uncertainty. Yet, ladies, if you're gonna be playing games and not doing anything with your life, being bored, going on social media, watching Netflix all day, just being a lazy bum and telling him that I can't see you at the last minute, I'm very busy. No, ladies, your daily habits sooner or later will come out, and then you being not available and not seeing him at the last minute will come across as a game, as it's just not gonna make sense. The fourth one on how to get a guy to fear of losing you is setting in a boundary. And I dare to say that setting in a boundary is the most important one. If you ladies will slip a little bit with the first three ones that I mentioned, it can be fixed, and actually you can even slip yourself a little bit here and there. We are only human beings, we're not robots, so it's totally fine. However, really try not to slip with setting in boundaries, because if you slip with a boundary setting or saying a yes instead of a no, then you should be saying a no. It is very hard to fix that, and a lot of times not setting in a boundary at the right time and the right place could ruin your relationship forever. So boundary setting is, I would say, the most important one to show a man that you are not scared to lose him, because if he does something disrespectful, your dignity will always come first. The reason your dignity always needs to come first, because ladies, a man will never love a woman that he does not respect. And if you do not set healthy boundaries in a relationship, he will never respect you and will walk all over you instead. Therefore, ladies, please watch my video where I break it down for you queens how to get a man to respect you, and I talk in that video how to set the healthy boundaries properly. You can find that free video just by following the link right here. I will also drop it down in the video description below. And now the fifth one, my ladies, how to make a guy to fear of losing you is emotional control. Why? Because when you control your emotions and when he cannot read you as an open book, it makes him wonder what you are thinking, what you are feeling. If he can read you as an open book because you share all your feelings and emotions, you are actually showing him how much into him you are, and you're giving him a huge amount of safety and security. Safety and security is not a man's love need. A man's love need is uncertainty. Safety and security is a woman's love need. This is why when we share our feelings and emotions and thoughts to another woman, we actually bond with women more. We create deep connections. That's not how you create a deep connection with a man. You create a deep connection with a man through having fun together and through giving him a bit of uncertainty, because uncertainty is his love. need. Therefore, ladies, make sure not to wear your heart on a sleeve and control your emotions even when he is playing games on you and is provoking you to lose emotional control. How to control your emotions and all the games that guys play on women to provoke you and lose your emotional control. I have 2 packages for sale, which I will drop down in the video description box below. So ladies, now you know of how to give a man uncertainty in a healthy, high value way and make him fear of losing you. Make sure to apply all these 5 tips as they work like magic. If you liked this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Don't forget to take my free test. Are you a woman of high value or low value, which you'll find in my video description box below. And if you would like some one-on-one or group coaching, or just would like to check out my video products, go on my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com, and check out all the packages which I have. Thank you so much for watching, queens, and I hope you all are staying sound and safe during this COVID-19 crisis, and sending you lots of blessings. My prayers are with you, and thank you so much for watching. Kisses from Manchester.